Anyway, now we are going to World War II monument. Here's the Thomas Jefferson's monument. We were in there yesterday. Here. So let's go.
Turkish food or Greek food is just better than American food.
So much better.
I really love Turkish food.
If you're not Turkish or Greek, and if you watch this video, listen to me. You need to choose different choices here. Otherwise, you'll get fat and you won't taste the good stuff in the world. You can't. You should change your view of the world and check the Turkish food first, not the Greek one.
If you're in America, you're gonna have to try Greek. It's easier.
Okay, it's easier to find Greek stuff, but
I will say I think that Turkish is more likely to be authentic because there's so few Turkish people.